Hi, my name is Amar. In this video, I will discuss about autocomplete widget in Flutter using GetX. Here, I have created this project autocomplete Flutter GetX by using the getCLI tool. After creating the project in the data models folder, I have created a file named as country.dart. Now, as you can see in that file, I have created a class named as country. Now, the class contains a constructor which is taking a string parameter named as name. Now in the home controller file here, I have created a list of country and I have initialized this list of country with these values, right? After that, in the home view file, here you can see in the body, I have taken a padding widget and I have given a padding of 16 from all sides. Now as a child of the padding widget, I have taken autocomplete widget, which is taking which type? Country type. Now this autocomplete widget has a mandatory attribute which is called as options builder. What this option does, these options create a text field where the user can type the value and based on the typed value it filters the result. Okay, now let me save this and let me show you the output. This is the output. Okay, now here you can see this text field has been created. Now if I click here, then you can see here instance of country is displayed. Why? To solve this, we need to use another property which is called as display string for option. This property is used if we are using here a custom type. If you are using some other type like a string, then this option or this property is optional. But if you are using a custom type like country in this case, then here we need to specify which property you want to bind with that autocomplete widget. Okay, so here I want to bind the name property of the country class with the autocomplete widget. Now let me save this once again. Once I save this, then you can see now India, Australia, Sri Lanka, Africa, these values are displayed, right? Next we have field view builder. Let me uncomment this. What is the purpose of this option? This option is used to customize the text field. By default, this text field is created due to this option builder property. But if you want to create your own text field, then we need to use this field view builder, which is taking a context, text editing controller, focus node, void callback. Here I have written the text field, and in the decoration, here I have used input decoration. In the border, I have given outline input border. In the hint text, I have given select country. In the controller, the field text editing controller is used. In the focus node, field focus node is used, and in the style I have given this style. Now let me save this once again. Now once I save this, now if you see the output, then you can see the style of the text field has been changed, right? Next we have on selected. In the on selected, the options which we are selecting from that particular autocomplete widget, that will be stored inside this selection. Okay, and here I have printed selection.name. Let me show you. Let me save this once again. Now suppose if from here I am selecting Australia, then you can see selected Australia is printed, right? Next we have options view builder. Let me uncomment this first. Now what is the purpose of this? If you want to customize this list which is coming, let me remove this. Okay, if you want to customize this particular list which is coming, then we need to use this options view builder. Let me show you one more thing. If I type here suppose A, then see it has filtered all the values that starts with A, because here I have written in that way. In this options view builder, you can see here the value which we are typing in the text field. Based on that, it is filtering that autocomplete widget, right? Now as I discussed, that options view builder will be used to customize this list which is coming. Okay, I have uncommented this. Let me save this once again, and if I can show you the output, then you can see the list which is coming that has been customized with this color and text style. And for that I have written this code. Just have a look. Nothing to discuss here. I have just discussed what are the purpose of the properties which is defined inside this autocomplete. And to customize the list, here I have written this code, this one. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.